the Grand Am Sports Car Series at the Watkins Glen International Raceway. As the souped-up cars fly over the 2.5-mile course, staying ahead of each other is hard enough. Staying ahead of the approaching storm is next to impossible. A heavy downpour takes the racers by surprise. The drivers are still riding around on slick tires. Some pull in to change them in the nick of time. Some don't. Slick tires have no grooves to expel the water and grab the pavement. As the racers speed into this turn, their cars hydroplane, then smack the wall at speeds up to 65 miles an hour. As the cluster of cars grow larger, a white Corvette slams into a Porsche at 75 miles an hour. The Porsche's driver is still inside. Rescue teams rush in, and the drivers take stock of themselves and their vehicles. It's amazing that there are only 2 injuries, both minor. 2 cars are totaled and have to be towed away. They each cost around $150,000. But if it wasn't for the high-density styrofoam barriers absorbing the sheer force at both moments of impact, these drivers could have lost more than their cars. They could have lost their lives.